The Healthy Benefits of Black Seed Oil, a comprehensive review with scientific evidence. Black seed oil, derived from the seeds of Nigella sativa, has been celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine across various cultures. Known as the seed of blessing in Arabic, black seed oil has gained substantial attention in recent years for its purported health benefits. This article delves into the scientific evidence supporting the benefits of black seed oil, exploring its potential therapeutic applications and underlying mechanisms. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of the most well-documented benefits of black seed oil is its anti-inflammatory effect. The active compound in black seed oil, thymoquinone, has been shown to exert anti-inflammatory effects through various mechanisms. Scientific evidence. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research 2012 investigated the anti-inflammatory effects of thymoquinone in a rodent model of inflammation. The study found that thymoquinone significantly reduced markers of inflammation, including tumor necrosis factor alpha TNF-alpha and interleukin-6 IL-6. Another study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology 2014 reported similar findings, demonstrating that black seed oil reduced inflammation and oxidative stress in a rat model of arthritis. Mechanism. Thymoquinone appears to inhibit the nuclear factor kappa B NF-kappa B pathway, a critical regulator of inflammation. By blocking this pathway, thymoquinone reduces the production of inflammatory cytokines and promotes an anti-inflammatory response. 2. Antioxidant effects. Oxidative stress is a contributing factor to various chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Black seed oil has been identified as a potent antioxidant, which helps combat oxidative stress. Scientific evidence. A study published in Frontiers in Pharmacology 2016 highlighted the antioxidant activity of black seed oil in a rodent model of oxidative stress. The study reported that black seed oil supplementation significantly increased antioxidant enzyme activity and decreased levels of malondialdehyde MDA, a marker of oxidative damage. Additionally, research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry 2015 demonstrated that thymoquinone exhibited strong free radical scavenging activity, further supporting its role as an antioxidant. Mechanism. The antioxidant effects of black seed oil are largely attributed to thymoquinone and other compounds that neutralize free radicals and enhance the body's natural antioxidant defenses, including enzymes like superoxide dismutase SOD and catalase. 3. Immune system support. Black seed oil has also been studied for its effects on the immune system. Its ability to modulate immune responses may have implications for enhancing overall immune health. Scientific evidence. A review published in Journal of Immunotoxicology 2016 summarized various studies on the immunomodulatory effects of black seed oil. The review found that black seed oil and thymoquinone could enhance the proliferation and activity of immune cells such as T lymphocytes and macrophages. Another study in BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies 2020 reported that black seed oil supplementation improved immune function in elderly individuals by increasing the activity of natural killer NK cells. Mechanism. Thymoquinone's immunomodulatory effects are thought to be mediated through its interaction with cytokine networks and modulation of immune cell activity. By balancing the immune response, black seed oil may help the body defend against infections and diseases more effectively. 4. Anti-cancer potential. The anti-cancer properties of black seed oil have garnered significant interest, with research exploring its effects on various types of cancer. Scientific evidence. Numerous studies have investigated the anti-cancer effects of thymoquinone, the primary compound in black seed oil. A study in Cancer Letters 2013 found that thymoquinone-induced apoptosis programmed cell death and inhibited the proliferation of cancer cells in breast cancer models. Similarly, Research in Journal of Cancer Research and Therapeutics 2015 demonstrated that thymoquinone exerted anti-tumor effects in prostate cancer cells. Mechanism: thymoquinone is believed to exert its anti-cancer effects through multiple mechanisms, including the induction of apoptosis, inhibition of cell proliferation, and suppression of angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that support tumor growth. It may also modulate various signaling pathways involved in cancer progression. 5. Cardiovascular health. Maintaining cardiovascular health is crucial for overall well-being, and black seed oil may offer benefits in this area. Scientific evidence. Research published in Clinical Nutrition 2014 investigated the effects of black seed oil on cardiovascular risk factors. The study found that black seed oil supplementation led to significant reductions in blood pressure, total cholesterol, and low-density lipoprotein (LDL) cholesterol levels. Another study in Phytotherapy Research 2015 reported that black seed oil improved endothelial function, a key indicator of cardiovascular health. Mechanism: the cardiovascular benefits of black seed oil are attributed to its ability to improve lipid profiles, reduce blood pressure, and enhance endothelial function. Thymoquinone and other bioactive compounds in black seed oil may contribute to these effects by promoting vasodilation and reducing oxidative stress. 6. Metabolic health. Metabolic disorders, including diabetes and obesity, have become increasingly prevalent. Black seed oil may offer support in managing these conditions. Scientific evidence. A study published in Diabetes, Metabolic Syndrome and Obesity, Targets and Therapy 2016 explored the effects of black seed oil on glucose levels and insulin sensitivity in diabetic patients. The study found that black seed oil supplementation led to significant reductions in fasting blood glucose and improved insulin sensitivity. Another study in Obesity Research Clinical Practice 2015 reported that black seed oil reduced body weight and waist circumference in overweight individuals. Mechanism: the beneficial effects of black seed oil on metabolic health are thought to be due to its ability to regulate glucose and lipid metabolism. Thymoquinone may enhance insulin sensitivity and modulate pathways involved in energy metabolism. 7. Digestive health. Digestive issues can significantly impact quality of life, and black seed oil may offer therapeutic benefits in this regard. Scientific evidence. A study published in World Journal of Gastroenterology 2016 examined the effects of black seed oil on gastrointestinal disorders. The study found that black seed oil exhibited protective effects against gastric ulcers and improved symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Another study in Journal of Ethnopharmacology 2014 highlighted the antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties of black seed oil, which may benefit individuals with digestive issues. Mechanism: the digestive health benefits of black seed oil are likely due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help protect the gastrointestinal tract and reduce symptoms associated with digestive disorders. Conclusion: black seed oil, with its rich array of bioactive compounds, particularly thymoquinone, offers a diverse range of potential health benefits supported by scientific research. From its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects to its potential roles in immune support, cancer prevention, cardiovascular health, metabolic management, and digestive health, black seed oil stands out as a promising natural remedy. However, while the evidence is compelling, it's important to approach black seed oil as a complementary treatment rather than a primary therapeutic option. Consulting with a healthcare provider before incorporating black seed oil into your regimen is advisable, particularly for individuals with underlying health conditions or those taking other medications. In summary, The scientific proof supporting the health benefits of black seed oil underscores its value as a functional food with significant potential for improving overall health and well-being. As research continues to evolve, black seed oil may further establish itself as a valuable tool in both preventive and therapeutic health strategies.